Before heading back to Tokyo, we make a stop at Keigon Waterfall. This is part 3 of our Hong Kong-Japan family trip. We also had one more mission to finish. It was to find a souvenir for the 3 children to remember this special trip.
Look at this.
Oh.
Yeah. You gotta take the pictures of the GPS. It's really like the initial D.
We're on first.
Yeah. First place.
First place. Dun, dun, dun.
Now you can only get the banana skin. Forward to the parallel cut.
Finish. Congratulations. You have just made a new record.
Hey, call me Sensei.
Poor Shizuku couldn't handle all those curves and got a big car sick. Well, we all could use a little break too, so we stopped for some food and a breather.
Little bit.
Wow. Uh-oh. Thank you.
And yes, the clumsy magic trick continued into day 2.
Looks pretty good. So much. Saluni Chui. Saluni Chui. Salu. Salu kita.
He's taking self-picture.
Here was our first attempt at finding a little souvenir for the kids, but no luck this time.
Solo.
Tiger.
你未必黐埋。
Oh no, goat.
整爛咗啦，跟住。
整爛啦，
Can I see? What did he do?
Clip it.
Little knife.
He didn't have the clipper.
He did.
I mean, like, it didn't touch the paper. Really? Magic. And hand.
佢整個呢個睇下先，整埋呢幾部啦。
It's hard to describe in words, but judging from everyone's reactions, we all felt a little lightheaded, standing on the observation platform.
小心啊，地面。
是。 Wow.
What are you? I'm sorry.
So we try again to find the right souvenir. But let's just say, the adults and kids have very different ideas. The adults were hoping for something meaningful from Nico, but the kids didn't care.
This is like 3 comes in different shapes.
This one is good.
可愛い？好き？
China.
That doesn't have anything to do with the Nico.
Neko has something to do with the waterfall. Neko is scared of water.
Nico is scared of the water, and there's
Yeah.
a waterfall. And the
Yeah.
waterfall is in Nico. You're right.
Oh, you hold this top part.
In the end, we all agreed on the gashapon and leave it to luck.
Go, 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 go. Good.
Which one? どっち？
The same one?
Oh,
The same one.
お。
where do you put it? Hey, you want to? You're gonna have to. You need two. I know, I have two. Eh? Same. No,
only have
I got this one.
It's a summer.
It's somewhere.
You
Yeah.
don't have
to
the
the
winter,
camera.
right?
Ah, somewhere.
Take a picture.これイワナ。
これはね、ヤマメ。
ヤマメ。
これはイワナ。
じゃあイワナ一つとヤマメ一つ。
一匹ずつ。
はい。
1400円になりますね。
2名。
And once again, poor Shizuku couldn't handle the curves. We asked Casey and Damien to cheer her up with a song, but they went with local children's songs in Cantonese.
なんか歌歌ってって。
She's shy.
Maybe something everyone knows.
You can lead her.
What about the one that you are singing now? All those days.
A whole new world. She knows this
I
one.
can show you.
It's funny how just yesterday, the kids couldn't even start a game of rock, paper, scissors because of the cultural difference. And now, waiting for the train, the group could jump into a game without a second thought. And on the train, there was this funny moment of Casey teaching Oki how to count to 5 in Cantonese.
1, 2, 3, 4, and then slap at Gachun. Hey, yeah, this is the ultimate way to learn class.
Cantonese pastime.
Hey, slap someone's face, except for me. Yeah.
Yeah, it's really fast.
Ultimate way to learn.
And it was the end of this little cross-cultural family trip, and time to say goodbye. But it's only the beginning. The two families were already talking about a homestay, sending the kids to each other's countries, sometimes in the near future. I'm looking forward to seeing that actually happen. Until then.
This way, right here. Yeah, get that.
你過嚟我哋酒店？真㗎？
係啊。
你過嚟我哋酒店做咩啊？
同你一陣去食飯咯。
你應該走埋冷氣，我都有冷氣。
好，let's go。
啊，let's go。點啊？
應該你酒店東口啊。
車口啊嘛。
我的